Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Odogo of Forex. Today, I'll be doing an experiment with ChatGPT. Recently, there's been a lot of inquiries on my DM of people asking me if it is actually possible for the AI ChatGPT to trade for you if you don't have the time to analyze or things like that. So they really want to know if ChatGPT can become a tool of the future when it comes to Forex trading. So that's why I took it upon myself that today, being my off day in trading, I am going to be experimenting to see if ChatGPT can actually ease your trading, like makes you trade seamlessly without having to worry about the technicalities or fundamentals surrounding Forex trading. So guys, stay tuned. Please make sure you are subscribed to this channel, enable your notification, and see how this challenge goes. Let's go. ChatGPT is loading. So hello ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going?
It's going great. So I have an assignment for you real quick.
Sure, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with?
Okay. I want you to analyze a trade for me, right? EURUSD specifically, and I want you to give me an entry point, an exit point, like stop loss, take profit. I want you to analyze it for me and tell me how long it will take for that trade to come to profit. I want to see if you can trade, if you are smart enough to trade.
I can definitely help you understand how to analyze a trade. However, I can't provide real-time or personalized trading advice. It's important to do your own research and possibly consult with a financial advisor. That said, if you'd like to learn about how to analyze the EURUSD pair, I can certainly explain the process.
I know that, but I want you to give it a try. Analyze EURUSD now in 15 minutes time frame and tell me what is a good point to buy or a good point to sell.
I can guide you on how to analyze the EURUSD pair. Typically, you look at factors like technical indicators,
Why are you being so
moving averages,
slow?
RSI, levels.
Stop. You are being slow. You are not doing what I'm asking you to do. I said I want you to take on the trade. It's like a challenge. I'm challenging you to take on a trade.
I understand you're looking for a challenge, but I must clarify that I can't take on or provide specific trade recommendations. If you'd like, I can help you understand how to analyze trades and make informed decisions. Let me know if you'd like to explore any specific concepts or tools.
I don't want that. Stop it. The purpose of
I'm here to.
the purpose, I want people to understand that yes, they need to learn how to analyze. So at least I want you to give me something. I want you to just tell me, what do you think from the market now? Do you think one should buy or one should sell?
I get where you're coming from. It's important to understand how to make informed decisions. You can look at current trends, support and resistance levels, and technical indicators to guide your decisions. Always remember to manage your risk and stay updated on economic news. Keep practicing and analyzing the market, and you'll continue to improve over time.
So your point now, are you trying to say that there is no AI that can help, aside from algo trading, are you trying to say there is no AI, even yourself cannot help any trader with trading? Are you there? GPT? This way they don't keep quiet. Hello? Let me cancel and restart again. Get out. Please restart and improve, don't share. I already know that fact that yeah, you eventually everybody just have to understand how to use technical tools for analysis and all that. But I don't know. Many people, I was even surprised when someone told me that they've been using ChatGPT to trade. So, out of curiosity, I said, let me also try it out and see how it works. Regardless, ChatGPT is going to have to accept this challenge. He will have to trade. And I need to see what an AI is capable of when it comes to trading. All this nonsense they turn and just rubbish talk. Hey, are you there?
Hey, yes, I'm here. What's up?
You
How
go
can I help?
you ghosted me all of a sudden. So, anyways, I'm saying now, just look at Euro USD and tell me what you think about that pair.
Got it. Well, I can't provide. I can explain how to analyze the Euro USD pair generally. You can check technical indicators like moving averages or RSI, as well as fundamental factors like economic news.
What
Is
are
there a
you
specific aspect you want to understand better?
what are you not even understanding? I said analyze it yourself. Are you not an AI? And not run an
I,
analysis on your own. Run an analysis on Euro USD and tell me your findings. That's an assignment I'm giving to you.
I can guide you on how to analyze the Euro USD pair with general principles. You can look at trends, support and resistance levels, and economic news. If you have any specific questions or need help with a particular part of the analysis, I'm here to assist.
Okay, now let's rephrase the question. Euro USD currently broke a previous resistance level, right? So do you think it's going to continue pushing upward or you think it's going to decline?
Analyzing whether the Euro USD will continue upward or decline can depend on multiple factors. If it recently broke a resistance level, that might suggest bullish momentum. However, it's essential to look at other indicators.
So what you're trying to say is
Also, consider potential support levels and overall. I'm here to help you learn how to analyze these factors.
don't.
If you have any specific questions about technical indicators,
So what you are
I'm here to
practically
help you learn and grow.
Hey, shut up.
If
What? Shut up. What you are practically admitting to now is that you are useless when it comes to forex trading. Are you there?
I'm here to provide information and support in a
You say I
positive.
decrease.
I'm here to help with any
Get out.
question.
You are decrease. You don't know anything. So guys, you found it. AI is practically useless. I'm going to be trying out another AI soonest in my next video. Let's see how it goes. Maybe the same ChatGPT. I'm going to be looking for a different prompt, or maybe I will use the text, the chat format instead of the voice, because I don't really know what I'm going to do in the next video. I think I'll just snap the chart and I'll send it to it. Then I'll tell it to analyze it for me. Let's see how that goes. This is episode 1. Let's see if AI can actually become how should I say, the reason why forex trading won't be so stressful for beginners. Yeah, forex trading has to be um, like our own comfort zone. It doesn't need to have a lot of bad names from people. So yeah, in as much as it's quite unfortunate that I myself I cannot even do free mentorship, and I'll not even recommend anybody to do free mentorship because we can't teach the whole world. We can only try our best. So at least I strongly wish there are tools whereby traders can really go to learn, and the whole forex being simplified for them. Ah, let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going back to sleep because I'm exhausted. So if you watched to this point, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated. I'm also going to be dropping videos soon on my own trades, analysis, and all that. So if you want to be viewing more of my videos, Forex Simplified, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And eventually, like I said, that challenge is going to happen. I'm going to challenge you to take on a trade, and it will take on a trade. So just keep watching, stay subscribed, enable that notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. When I know mine, I'll go sleep. Sleep don't gather food for my eye. I'll see you guys in my next video.